RSA Electrical tackles any job, whether big or small, in all electrical disciplines, any electrical fault. We work extensively around Cape Town. Whether it's new wiring, emergency repairs, issuing a certificate of compliance, or working with you to design a lovely range of bespoke switches and plugs, we've got you covered. Some of the work we cover: fault finding, tripping circuit breakers and earth leakage units, installation of sub-prepaid meters. RSA Bardo is a registered 3-phase electrician with the Department of Labor. Rewiring or moving a distribution board. Installers of car chargers. Power to air conditioners. Installation of hob and ovens, including freestanding stoves. Installation of additional switch socket outlets, plugs, light fittings and outside lights. The changing of old fluorescent fittings to LED lamps. Lighting design. Installation of LED strip lighting, power to catering equipment, UPS, inverter, motion sensors, generator installations. We are able to inspect, repair, and provide compliance certificates for the above-mentioned sectors. Upgrade of old warehouse lighting, installation of 3-phase power for new equipment. Rob, the director, works side by side with the men and personally inspects all jobs. Once completed, he then signs and hands over the certificate of compliance. RSA Electrical also specializes in the installation of inverters from 5 kilowatt single phase up to 16 kilowatts. We install only SunSync or Kodak inverters and lithium-ion batteries, either Hubble or pylon type. Domestic, guest houses, restaurants, commercial, industrial. We have you covered.